Hey everybody, in this video we'll show Mac users how to customize GarlicOS on the Anbernic RG35XX. Alright, so let's jump in. Before you begin, make sure you check out the first video in this series. It'll show you how to set up the Anbernic RG35XX on a Mac, and then once you've got those SD cards configured and everything set up, then you can jump back into this video. So let's get started customizing. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we'll go to rg35xx.com, and in the navigation go ahead to customize and we'll choose GarlicOS themes. And in this you can browse and see different themes that you like. MIUI, that looks like the MIUI Mini's operating system. The GarlicOS like default look. Synthwave, which is pretty cool. And I mean, it just goes on and on. There's a whole bunch of pages for these. I'm going to download Garlic 98. So we'll click download now. And then standard download. In your downloads folder, you'll find the zip file that we just downloaded. Right click on that and choose open with archive utility or the unarchiver, or you can simply just double click on it. That will unzip the files into a folder. Click on that, and these are all the files that we're going to have to copy into different areas on our SD card. So let's go ahead and pop in our SD card. Now that the SD card is up, let's go to the MISC partition. You would have that created if you followed along in the other video. So there is the CFW folder. And in this Garlic 98 folder, or wherever you want to on your computer, let's just make a folder called backup. And in that backup, we can go ahead and copy our current CFW. That way, if we want to go back to the default theme, that we have a little bit of protection there. And we're going to be changing that bootloader image too. So let's go to the SYS folder, and there is a bootlogo.bmp.gz. Let's go ahead and paste that over here in our backup folder too, just in case. So going back to our miscellaneous folder, we'll go into the skin folder here, and then we'll go CFW, and there's also a skin folder here. Notice I have one here called skin old. That was a backup I made too. So copy that over. We'll click replace. And then under miscellaneous, there was that boot logo. So we'll go ahead and go to our system partition and then copy over that boot logo, and we'll click replace. Now we can safely eject our SD card. So we'll click eject all. We copied over our theme. Let's take a look what it looks like on the device. Okay, let's go ahead and hold down that start button. Power it up. Nice, we've got the GarlicOS logo. And then this is what it looks like as Windows 98. So we can look through the different consoles here. And then this is the main screen, which will allow you to choose RetroArch or consoles. Okay, so that's how you customize your Anbernic RG35XX. If you'd like to see more videos like this, leave a comment below. I think we might be able to do one on how to create your own custom theme. That'd be pretty cool. If you like this video and like to see more about tech, retro gaming, and everything in between, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.